Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best pirate patches for kids is probably one of the most exciting and imaginative ways to spark your child's adventurous spirit, transforming everyday play into a swashbuckling quest right in your own home. These aren't just simple eye patches, they are gateways to a world of make-believe, where little ones can embody brave captains, daring buccaneers, and fearless explorers, embarking on thrilling voyages across imaginary seas filled with hidden treasures and mythical creatures. Designed to be comfortable and safe for young adventurers, these patches encourage creative storytelling and role-playing, fostering a sense of confidence and imaginative freedom that every child deserves as they navigate their own grand adventures. Number 5. WERNNSAI Pirate Party Game. Set sail for an exciting pirate adventure with this fun game. It's perfect for sparking imagination and getting everyone involved in the pirate spirit. Our pirate Captain Parrot has lost his blindfold. Can you help him find it? This game is designed to make you feel like a true pirate on a treasure hunt. Crafted from durable coated paper, the poster is built to last. The stickers are easy to peel and can be used again and again, ensuring endless fun. This set includes a large pirate poster, colorful eye patch stickers, a comfortable blindfold, and adhesive dots. It's everything you need for an unforgettable pirate-themed party. Just hang the poster, put on the blindfold, and try to place the eye patch sticker in the right spot. The closest player wins the game. Ideal for birthday parties, school events, or family gatherings, this game is a fantastic gift for kids and doubles as a cool room decoration. What we like. This is a fantastic game for pirate-themed parties. If you are looking for an engaging activity that doubles as decoration, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love interactive fun and a bit of friendly competition. What people say. The patches are a good size for kids. They stick well and stay on during play. The designs are cute and appealing to children. Number 4. D-Fokes Pirate Hat Skull Print. Are you ready for an adventure on the high seas? This pirate hat is the perfect accessory for your next costume party or themed event. Embrace the spirit of a true pirate captain with this classic skull print design. It's designed to make you stand out from the crew. Whether it's a Caribbean fancy dress party or just for some pirate-themed fun, this hat adds a touch of swashbuckling charm. Crafted for comfort and designed to be noticed, this hat is a fantastic addition to any pirate costume. Get ready to impress. Complete your pirate look with this essential accessory. It's the fun, funny, and fantastic way to complete your fancy dress. What we like. For that authentic pirate captain look, these hats are a must. If you need a simple yet effective costume piece for a party or dress-up, these are ideal. They add a touch of Caribbean flair to any pirate ensemble. What people say. These patches are designed to block vision completely, which is essential for effective amblyopia treatment. The adhesive is gentle on the skin, making them comfortable for extended wear during therapy. The variety of fun designs appeals to children, helping to make the patching process more enjoyable. Number 3. Tatuo Halloween Pirate Eye Patches. Ahoy, matey! Get ready to plunder and explore with these classic pirate eye patches. Perfect for any swashbuckling adventure. Transform into a fearsome pirate captain with these skull-emblazoned eye patches. They're the ultimate accessory for your Halloween or carnival costume. Crafted from soft black felt, these patches offer a comfortable fit for all-night wear. The single-eye skull design adds an authentic touch to your look. Whether it's Halloween, a costume party, or a themed event, these eye patches are sure to make a statement. They're a fun and easy way to complete your pirate ensemble. This set comes with 12 pieces, so you'll have plenty for yourself and your crew. Share the pirate spirit and get ready for a memorable celebration. What we like. If you need a large quantity of basic pirate eye patches for a group event, this pack is perfect. They are suitable for Halloween, carnivals, or any pirate-themed gathering where everyone needs a patch. They offer simple, classic pirate style. What people say. These patches are great for Halloween costumes. The patches are a good size and stick well to fabric. My son loved wearing these for his pirate-themed birthday party. Number 2. Juvale Pirate Birthday Party Favors Kit. Set sail for an unforgettable pirate adventure with this comprehensive party favor kit. It's packed with everything you need to make your next celebration a swashbuckling success. Discover a treasure trove of fun with over 100 pieces of pirate-themed goodies. From hats and eye patches to coins and compasses, there's something for every little buccaneer. Crafted with durable plastic and foam, these accessories are built to last through hours of imaginative play. They're perfect for a full day of birthday party fun. Whether it's a birthday party or just a fun gathering, this set provides the perfect pirate accessories. They double as both exciting toys and fantastic decorations. This extensive set includes rings, earrings, coins, necklaces, skeletons, compasses, telescopes, treasure chests, eye patches, and hats. It's everything you need for an epic pirate bash. Each item is designed for maximum pirate fun, with precise dimensions ensuring a great fit for little hands. Get ready for a party filled with adventure and excitement. What we like. This is the ultimate party pack for a pirate enthusiast. If you're planning a pirate birthday and need a comprehensive set of favors and decorations, this is your go-to. It offers a wide array of items for a complete pirate experience. What people say. These patches are designed to block out light completely, which is crucial for effective amblyopia treatment. The adhesive is gentle on the skin, making them comfortable for extended wear during the day. They come in various fun designs that kids actually enjoy wearing, turning a medical necessity into a positive experience. Number 1. Oarkive Eye Patch for Adults. Are you ready for an adventure? This soft black eye patch is perfect for your next pirate costume or cosplay event. Get ready to set sail on a sea of fun. Designed for comfort, this eye patch features an adjustable strap to ensure a perfect fit for any adult. You can wear it all day without any discomfort. Whether it's for a pirate costume, a cosplay convention, Halloween, or just a fun dress-up party, this accessory is a must-have. It adds the perfect touch to any outfit. Crafted with soft, high-quality materials, this eye patch is built to last. Enjoy its durability for many costumes and events to come. Don't let your costume be incomplete. This essential accessory will help you achieve the authentic look you desire. It's the final touch you need. Simply slip it on and adjust for a secure fit. It's incredibly easy to wear and will quickly become your favorite costume accessory. What we like. For adults seeking a comfortable and adjustable eye patch for costumes, this is a great choice. If you're into cosplay, Halloween, or just dressing up as a pirate, its soft material and adjustable strap ensure a good fit. It's designed for extended wear. What people say. The patches are made of soft material and are comfortable to wear. They stay in place well, even during active play. The variety of designs is great, and kids love them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.